Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to tighten the laces on the fingers of a baseball glove. So you want to start on the index finger. You want to take this lace that's on the bottom here on the inside. You want to pull it through with a screwdriver or whatever kind of tool you have. And then you want to go on the back here and find this tiny lace. Then you want to pull it through. Then you want to find the top one on the inside. You want to pull it all the way through. Then you want to find, just like over here, you want to find the top one on the back. You're going to pull it through. Then you basically just want to repeat the process for the rest of the fingers. So you find that bottom lace on the inside, pull it through, find the tiny lace on the back, you pull it through. Then you want to find the top lace on the inside, pull it through, and repeat the process again. Find the top lace on the outside, find the bottom lace on the inside, pull it through, find the tiny lace on the back, pull it through, find the top lace on the inside, pull it through. Now at the end you're going to have this extra bit of lace here. On some gloves you can untie it and just make a new knot, or some the knot's tight enough it's just annoying to untie. So you can just tie a new knot and then cut the extra off. And that's how you tighten the fingers on a baseball glove.